Montessori baby room tour.
Yay! Wow, you put the ball in the hole.
The goal of this video is to help you prepare a Montessori-style baby space. The shown features can be put in a common room, a shared bedroom, or a nursery, depending on your family's needs. Generally, a Montessori baby room is completely baby-proofed and safe for baby to freely move around in. It should be a yes space, where you don't have to say, no, don't go there. This space is theirs. In this room, there is a play area or movement area with a carpet, a book display, and a small shelf for age-appropriate materials. You could also include a mirror in this area. Next to the play corner is the closet where baby's clothes are kept. There is also an adult sitting area where mom and dad can feed baby, although you can also sit on the floor. Small tables store simple things like diapers and wipes for changing the baby, which is safely done on the ground or bed, not on an elevated changing table. Mobile is a nice feature to include for helping very young babies track and focus moving objects. For newborns, you can put this above the play or movement area and not over the bed where it can distract baby from sleeping. The room should be clean, simple, and well organized. Display only a few toys or materials on a small shelf within baby's reach. Keep the rest stored away and rotate as needed. Don't worry if baby does mixing and matching of the materials. That's part of free exploration, and only by doing that will he get to see for himself how the world works. Plants like this blooming orchid will help beautify the space. This bee toy stuck to the window can be used as an improvised pull-up bar, or you can install one like this. Floor bed is a major and well-known feature of a Montessori room. Baby is free to come and go out of the bed and doesn't need to rely on mom or dad to put him in or take him out. Next to the baby room is a bathroom made accessible to an older baby or toddler with features like this stool. Here we have the hand soap and towel ready, as well as a toothbrush and paste, and a little brush for hair. Near the toilet is another stool and a little potty seat. Many people choose to use a child-sized potty instead. Either is fine. Most people start with baby bathtubs, but you can move on to a bucket like this to bathe an older baby or toddler. You can find them at any big box store. How you design your child's spaces will depend on your family's needs, situation, and culture. At the very least, baby spaces should be safe, simple, and functional. You don't need a lot of things to make it good. Baby spaces should evolve as they grow. For older babies and toddlers, you can add a self-care or dressing area, a desk or table, and of course, new materials.
Hi, buddy.
Do you have a Montessori baby room? Did you have any special challenges setting one up? Do you have any tips, tricks, or questions? Leave your comments below. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more ideas, videos, and updates.